When it comes to accessing files within OneDrive, there's actually several different ways that you can do this. If you have your desktop version, you could of course access the desktop application and open up your OneDrive files from that way. But in this video specifically, we're going to be focusing on accessing files in the Microsoft 365 version of OneDrive, meaning that we're going to be focusing on the version of OneDrive that's embedded within your Microsoft 365 homepage. Now that's a little bit different, and I'll show you what I mean when we get there. So first things first, of course, is to log into your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're in there, you'll be greeted with this new user interface here. You can see that there's been a couple of different changes to the way that things are organized, so it may not be as easy to access your files as you once thought. But have no fear, just because it's not readily available on your page does not mean that OneDrive is not accessible. There's a couple of different ways to access OneDrive files. Number one is actually by searching for the application itself. And there's two ways you can do this. The first way, utilize the search bar. So if I go ahead and give the search bar a click on the left-hand side of my screen, I can go ahead and type in OneDrive into the search, and you can see that I'll be greeted by the application. I can go ahead and give it a click. Another way that you can access the OneDrive application within Microsoft 365 is by going to the apps icon on the left-hand side screen. You'll notice it's about one up from the bottom here. Go ahead and give that a click. And because OneDrive is quite a frequent application, it's a popular one, it should appear right here on your main apps page. If for whatever reason it does not appear, no worries, go ahead and give all apps a click, and you'll see an alphabetized list of all the applications that are available with your Microsoft 365 subscription, and you can go ahead and give OneDrive a click here. Now you'll notice, when I clicked on OneDrive, it didn't bring me into a new tab or a new window. In fact, it is now housed within your Microsoft 365 Office, now known as Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage. You can see that I can still access all the same features we saw in the main homepage, just with the addition of our OneDrive files. Let me do that again. So let's back up out of here. Let's go into apps. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, and you'll see it's not a brand new window, not a new tab. It is housed within your Microsoft 365 Copilot application. And you can see that because we actually have a OneDrive tab that appears here. And from here, we have access to all of our files. I can go ahead and click on My Files to see all of the ones that I directly created. If there's anything that's been shared to me, I can access it that way. We'll go over all the navigations and such in the next couple of videos. But it's just important to know that it's not a separate page anymore, not a separate window. It's actually housed within your Microsoft Copilot homepage. And a couple different things to note about that. Number one, if you ever want more space so that you can fully see your files, you can go ahead and actually close out this menu by giving this button a click here on the top right. It'll close out the Microsoft 365 Copilot toolbar so you can have full access to your OneDrive application. And then at any point in time, all you have to do is just click on the navigation menu again, and it'll expand it. Number two, if OneDrive is going to be something that you know you're going to frequently access, you do have the ability to pin it. And you'll notice that when I hover over OneDrive, you'll get this pin icon. I can go ahead and give that a click. And now OneDrive is going to be pinned onto my home page so that any single time I go ahead and log in, I can access it here. And so if you're someone, again, that frequently wants to utilize OneDrive, go ahead and give it a pin. You can actually click and drag this and move it up a list if you want, so they make it a bit more accessible. All right. So that's one great way. If you don't want to have to jump through the hoops of having to find it every time, you can go ahead and pin it on your toolbar there. The last thing that I want to point out is that because OneDrive is now housed within your Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage, you can actually access your files without necessarily jumping to the OneDrive application. What do I mean by that? If we go back into our search bar here and give that a click, you'll notice that in addition to searching for files and applications, we actually get a list of all of our files that are housed here. Again, where Microsoft is really focused on creating this ecosystem within all of its applications, whereas in the past you'd have to log on to one application to get access to another. It is all housed in one place, so now you get instant access to all of your files. And so you can easily search through all the different types of files you have available to you and get access that way. Now, what's important to note is that because we're doing this via the search tab, this is not just going to be limited to files that are within OneDrive. As you can see here, some of them are going to be part of SharePoint. So this is just important to know. If you want to strictly access your OneDrive files, then I don't necessarily recommend you accessing files via the search bar. I prefer you go ahead, open up the OneDrive application and get your files that way. But if you're willing to take a look at all of your files, whether they're on SharePoint or OneDrive, you can go ahead and use that search function. So there are a couple different ways to accessing files from OneDrive in your Microsoft 365 Copilot application. Find the one that works for you. I do highly recommend pinning your OneDrive here so you have instant access. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the new keystrokes and navigation of the user interface. But then from the next couple of videos, we'll show you all the additional features you have when you utilize Microsoft 365 OneDrive.